Imagine a world where a powerful new medicine is discovered not in a traditional laboratory, but inside the circuits of a computer. It sounds like science fiction, but this is our reality today. Meet Halicin, a groundbreaking antibiotic that wasn't found by a human scientist, but by artificial intelligence. This marks a dramatic shift in how we approach drug discovery. Its name is inspired by HAL 9000 from 2001: A Space Odyssey, symbolizing the fusion of advanced technology and medicine. Halicin represents a bold leap into the future of healthcare. This discovery wasn't just a stroke of luck. At MIT, scientists trained an AI system to understand what makes a molecule an effective medicine, feeding it data from thousands of existing drugs and compounds. Once the AI was trained, it searched through a digital library of over 100 million molecules, a task so vast it would be impossible for humans to complete in a lifetime. For decades, scientists scoured nature for new antibiotics, but bacteria kept evolving, creating dangerous superbugs that resist our best medicines. Halicin was different. A molecule with a unique structure and a completely new way to attack bacteria, offering hope against even the toughest infections. The implications are enormous. This isn't just about one drug, it's about transforming the entire process of scientific discovery, making it faster and more innovative. With AI, we can accelerate the search for cures, uncovering new treatments more quickly and efficiently than ever before, and potentially saving countless lives. The story of Halicin is just the beginning, a glimpse into a future where technology and medicine work hand in hand. We're standing at the edge of a new frontier in medicine. The possibilities are endless. Let's dive in and see what the future holds. Why do we need AI in medicine? The answer lies in the immense challenges and complexities of modern drug discovery. Because the old way is slow, expensive, and full of failure, developing a new drug can take over a decade and cost more than $2 billion. The process is a marathon, not a sprint, and every step is fraught with uncertainty. Scientists start by trying to understand a disease at its most fundamental level, then screen thousands, sometimes millions, of chemical compounds, searching for one that might work. Most of these candidates fail, and only a tiny fraction ever make it to the next stage. Even the most promising drugs face years of rigorous testing in labs, animals, and eventually humans. Many will still fail at this stage, despite all the time and resources invested. The odds are stacked against success, creating a massive bottleneck in medicine and slowing progress for patients in need. Rare diseases are often ignored because the financial risk is too high for companies to take on. As a result, countless people are left without hope for a cure, waiting for breakthroughs that may never come. We need a better way, something faster, cheaper, and smarter. That's where artificial intelligence comes in, offering new hope and new possibilities for the future of medicine. AI can cut through the noise, speed up discovery, and lower costs dramatically. It can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, finding patterns and connections that humans might miss. It's a true game changer for drug development. The future of medicine depends on innovation like this. Let's see how AI is changing the game and bringing hope to millions. Let's look closer at Halicin's discovery, a breakthrough that changed how we think about finding new medicines. At MIT, scientists built a powerful neural network AI, training it on a dataset of 2,500 molecules. They taught it to recognize the subtle features that give a molecule antibacterial power, something that would be nearly impossible for a human to do by eye. The AI learned to spot patterns and relationships invisible to humans, developing an understanding of what makes a molecule effective against bacteria. After this intensive training, the AI was unleashed on millions of new, untested compounds. In just a few hours, it accomplished what would have taken human researchers years, if not decades, to complete. From this vast pool of chemical possibilities, the AI identified a short list of top candidates with the highest potential. Among these, one molecule stood out: Originally studied as a treatment for diabetes, it was called Halicin. When scientists tested Halicin in the lab, they found it could wipe out even the most dangerous, drug-resistant bacteria, superbugs that threaten hospitals worldwide. Halicin worked in a completely novel way, attacking bacteria so differently that it was extremely difficult for them to develop resistance. The AI hadn't just found a new drug, it had uncovered an entirely new class of antibiotics, something researchers had been searching for over decades. This achievement proved that AI can truly revolutionize drug discovery, opening doors to medicines we never imagined. The process is now faster, smarter, and more creative than ever before, allowing scientists to tackle problems once thought unsolvable. Halicin is living proof that AI can find what humans might never see, hidden deep within mountains of data. The future of medicine is digital, and with AI, it's brighter than ever. To design drugs, we must understand their targets, proteins, the machines of life. A protein's function depends on its complex 3D shape, but predicting that shape was a 50-year challenge. Traditional methods were slow and costly. Enter AlphaFold, an AI from DeepMind. In 2020, AlphaFold solved the protein folding problem, predicting structures with remarkable accuracy. Trained on thousands of known proteins, it can now predict new ones in hours. AlphaFold's database covers over 200 million proteins, freely available to scientists. Now, researchers can instantly see a protein's structure and design drugs that fit perfectly. This unlocks a new era in biology and medicine. Drug design is now faster and more precise. AlphaFold didn't just solve a problem, it opened a treasure trove for science. The bottleneck is gone. The future of drug discovery is wide open. What if AI could invent entirely new medicines from scratch? Generative AI can do just that, designing molecules that have never existed, tailored for specific diseases. Scientists give the AI instructions, and it generates thousands of novel structures that fit the criteria. This approach explores chemical spaces far beyond existing libraries. In 2022, in silico medicine used generative AI to create a drug for lung disease, reaching human trials in under 30 months. This flips the old model. Instead of searching for a lucky hit, we designed the perfect molecule from the start. It's called de novo drug design, creating optimized medicines with fewer side effects. Generative AI makes drug discovery faster, smarter, and more creative. Treatments once unimaginable are now within reach. The future of medicine is being invented by AI. The world's biggest drug companies are betting big on AI. Giants like Pfizer, Roche, and Sanofi are investing billions, making AI central to their research. AI is used at every step, finding disease targets, designing drugs, and running smarter clinical trials. AI can match patients to trials, increasing success rates and speeding up development. In 2022, Sanofi partnered with Exscientia in a billion-dollar deal to develop new drugs. Recursion Pharmaceuticals uses AI and robotics to run millions of experiments weekly. This industry-wide adoption creates a feedback loop: more data, better AI, faster discovery. The result: more drugs, developed faster and cheaper. The pharmaceutical industry is transforming. The age of slow, manual drug discovery is ending. AI-powered medicine is here. The future is accelerating. Medicine has long been one-size-fits-all, but we're all unique. AI is making personalized medicine a reality, analyzing your genes, health data, and lifestyle. It predicts disease risks, the best drugs, and optimal dosages for each person. In cancer, AI can match treatments to the exact mutations driving a patient's tumor. This means smarter, more effective therapies with fewer side effects. Generative AI could one day design a unique drug for a single patient. Imagine a doctor using your DNA to create a medicine just for you. This is no longer science fiction. we're moving toward bespoke treatments for every patient. AI is transforming care from generic to personal. The future of medicine is tailored to you. Precision is the new standard. With great power comes great responsibility. AI's dual-use dilemma means it can be used for good or harm. The same AI that designs medicines could create dangerous toxins or viruses. Scientists proved this by flipping an AI's goal. It generated thousands of deadly molecules in hours. This wasn't to make weapons, but to warn us. As AI grows more powerful, the risk of misuse rises. We need strong safeguards, ethical guidelines, and global cooperation. Balancing open science with security is crucial. The power to heal is also the power to harm. Our future depends on using AI wisely. Despite risks, AI's promise for medicine is bright. We're on the verge of curing diseases once thought untreatable. AI brings hope to rare disease patients by making drug development faster and cheaper. Even aging is being studied. AI may help us live longer, healthier lives. Imagine a world where your doctor prescribes an AI-designed medicine. This isn't far off, it's happening now. Human and artificial intelligence together can deliver a golden age of medicine. Faster, smarter, more personal care is within reach. The future is exciting and worth striving for. Science and AI are partners in hope. The next chapter in medicine is being written now.